Hello everyone, I am Niladri. Today's session is about A5 and B1, the most crucial event to be remembered and is very important for all the RF engineers out there. So please pay attention. So let's understand what are these events, A5 and B1. A5, most significantly I would say, these are combination of two periodic events. One is A2 and A4. When your serving cell, LT cell, experiencing bad coverage, and A4 means when your neighbor is better certain threshold. So when both the conditions meet, A5 timer starts. That means your serving cell is becoming worse and your neighbor cell becoming better. B2 is a combination of A2 and B1, wherein your serving cell, LT cell, or the F1 you can say, is, the experience is going down. We are experiencing bad cell coverage or quality, and B1 means IRAT neighbor is better certain threshold. So when A2 and B1 is combined, the next step would be B2, IRAT handover or session continuity or reselection. A5 is combination of A2 and A4, wherein my F1 of LT is becoming bad and F2 is becoming good. So that's all about A5 and B2. Let's understand the event exactly what happens. So when this is the serving cell, this is the RSRP, RSRQ measurements, this side is time. So here we are experiencing bad coverage, and here the neighbor F2, more specifically, this one is cell F1 in LT, this is neighbor LT, F2 or the IRAT. IRAT means you may have 3Z cells, you may have 2Z or CDMA 2000 even. So when A2 is reported, means when we experience a bad coverage, we start measuring all the frequencies around our serving LT F1 cell. So we check the interfrequency, the intrafrequency, the IRAT handovers, and we report A2. And A4 and B1 met. I have combined both the events because they are almost the same. Only thing is here it's F2 of LT or IRAT frequencies. So I need not feel it is very important to put same picture again and again. Rather than I have combined both the events so that in one session you will be able to understand what exactly happening in the network during this type of measurement. So when A2 is already triggered, we have done, we have been reported that we are in a bad coverage zone, and we are measuring all the frequencies, IRAT, interfrequency. And in case of A5, we start the timer here when absolute threshold 1, means the serving LT F1 cell becomes bad or becomes deteriorating, and absolute threshold 2 means my F2 LT frequency is threshold better. This is the point, better than the threshold 1, becoming bad here, again going worse. Threshold 2, here it's becoming better than threshold. This is the threshold, and it's again in an increased what we can say in increased phenomena. So here exactly at this point of time both the conditions are met, A2 and A4, and this is sustaining till this time, let's say 300 to maybe 600 milliseconds. Where continued with this state means serving is becoming poor and the neighbor is getting better. So at this point of time, the UE reports to the node B that the target is good enough. We can take a call to make a session continuity or reselection or handover to this particular neighbor F2 cell. So at this point of time, we can report the event is triggered here, and this time is made. So we are communicating here to the node B, the target is good enough for handover, and then the node B can take a call. Let me put one more thing, very important. In the condition of a base cell comes in, node B may not wait for this event to be reported by the UE, and the node B can take a decision to give the handover to the base cell. Except that this is the normal phenomena. And regarding IRAT or the B2, only in case if here the F2 is not there and IRAT frequency is better. No intra-frequency is better to make a session continuity or handover, and particular some IRAT frequency, let's say 3G frequency or GSM or CDMA is reported good and continued the same thing. Here B2 starts, never IRAT becoming better. Till this time it's still getting better and better, and here you're reporting the B2 event. Then the node B take a call to make a handover to the IRAT frequencies or to the F2 frequency of LT. This is all about A5 and B2. Please remember there are two thresholds simultaneously meeting to make this event happen, A5 or B2. Absolute threshold 1, serving getting O's, and absolute threshold 2, never F2 LT frequency or the IRAT frequency getting better than threshold. So when the two thresholds meet for a certain period of time, we report here, the UE report here, and then the node B take a call on handing over to the F2 or to the IRAT, or in between if any base cell comes in. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for more updates. The next video will be discussing PRACH planning. Thank you so much. Enjoy.